Welcome to Japanese Class 101, second part about animals you might find on a farm. In a few moments, different animals will appear on your screen. You will also see and hear their name in Japanese. Repeat after me. Hitsuji, Hitsuji. Shichimenchou, Shichimenchou. Uma, Uma. Ahiru, Ahiru. Neko, Neko. Chicken, Chicken. Yagi, Yagi. Kohitsuji, Kohitsuji. Now it's your turn to try. These same animals will now appear in a random order. Try to name them. Did you succeed? If not, don't hesitate to rewatch this video as many times as you need. Also, if you'd like to learn more about Japanese or learn more about other languages, don't hesitate to subscribe. Thank you for joining us and see you next time.